Well, it's time to check your learning. Can you translate this English into Chinese? Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer. The first one is, what's your name? And in Chinese it is, 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ The second one, how have you been? 最近怎么样？最近怎么样？最近怎么样？ The third one, do you often take a walk here? 你经常来散步吗？你经常来散步吗？你经常来散步吗？ Well, if you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the show time. Imagine you meet a new friend at the swimming pool. So how would you start the conversation? Think about it. And here is just one example for you. You might start with 你好 or hello. 你好. And you might ask the name. What's your name? 你叫什么名字? What's your name? And the other person might reply, 我叫 blah blah the name. And 你呢? 你呢? You might say it means you. How about you? What's your name? Okay, you might reply 我叫 use your name. 我叫 use your name. It means my name is blah blah blah. One way to break the ice is use this sentence. 你经常来游泳吗？你经常来游泳吗？你经常来游泳吗？ Do you often swim here? So this is one way to breaking the ice. So how's it going, everyone? Please leave it in the comment below. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact that you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。